Okay, this is the last kind of love-themed winter, cozy winter theme soap. And it's cocoa butter and cashmere, which discolors brown. So the base is going to be brown. I'm going to try a hanger swirl, and I did not color these two sections, so I expect some color to discolor a bit from the edges of the brown, which does have fragrance in it, but I'm hoping that it will still maintain some of its blue and yellow by not adding fragrance. So we'll see. Time will tell with this. Initially it will be great, and then we'll see how much it discolors as it cures. Don't know how much it will or won't, but we'll see. And I have some, this is kind of a button knit theme, so I have some buttons I'm going to put in which didn't quite go as I planned. I have to reformulate the smaller ones, and you'll see in a minute. And then a knit pattern to put on top, which I'm not sure how that will go. We'll see. Just gonna swirl that. Set that aside. And then, so the large buttons were here. What I realized, I did the small and I put white in for the holes, and you can't see the holes. I needed a contrasting color, so when I did the larger one, I put the teal, which stands out. And the small ones, the button hole needs to be bigger. It's too small. This is why I test everything, because some designs need to be played with a little bit more before they are ready to go be listed on the web page. So I'm going to fix that one a little bit, and then it should, I think, be better. Like, it'll just, like, this one's big, right? And it looks like a button. This one, I just feel the holes are a tad too small. Okay, and then the final, well, second to final part, I made these pieces of knitted, well, what should look like a knitted scarf or sweater or something or another, that I'm going to put on top. Not overly enthusiastic about how the top turned out. I'll have to revisit that idea. But I think the inside is cute. I wish the button hadn't shifted over, but it's okay. That's the top. It's the inside. The swirls are really pretty. And I hope they don't discolor too much, because I know this fragrance will discolor, but we'll see. I think if I did this next time, I have to make 1-inch segments and just put it on each bar that way versus going all the way across. And like, so definitely there's some things that didn't work with this, but it was a learning experience and I figured out what not to do for next time. This is the bar with just the mat, which I'm not sure how I feel about that either. Like, I definitely have to revisit this design idea. I do like the buttons. I think the color, the swirl, it's fun. So there you have it. That is cocoa butter and cashmere, my kind of warm knitted winter themed soap from this collection. So let me know what you think.